Running a business means managing countless moving parts, and let's be honest, those regular bill payments can become a headache. Are you tired of logging in every month to pay the same essential business bills, wishing you could just set it and forget it? If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. We're diving into the simple, time-saving feature within your Tide account, how to set up recurring payments, known as standing orders, and manage your bill pay effortlessly. This isn't just about paying bills, it's about reclaiming your valuable time so you can focus on growing your business. Let's get your Tide account set up for total payment autopilot. Setting up a recurring payment, standing order. A standing order is perfect for those consistent payments, like monthly subscriptions, rent, or scheduled supplier invoices that are always the same amount. Step 1. Start a new payment. Open your Tide app and tap the Accounts tab, then select Send. Here, you'll choose Make a Payment. Step 2. Choose your payee. You can select an existing recipient or, if it's a new one, tap Pay Someone New and enter their bank details, making sure they are correct. Step 3. Enter details and schedule. Input the exact amount and a reference for the payment. This is the crucial bit, toggle on Schedule this payment. You will then be prompted to choose the frequency, set it to weekly, monthly, or another recurring option. Select the first date the payment should go out. Step 4. Confirm and authorize. Review the details, the amount, the reference, the frequency, and the first date, and tap Confirm Schedule. You'll need to authorize the payment, and you're done. Your standing order is now active, freeing you from a monthly chore. Managing bill pay. What about your one-off bills, or those larger invoices that aren't recurring? Tide makes tracking and paying those simple, too. In your app, look for the Invoices and Bills section. Tapping into Bills lets you upload, track, and manage all your incoming expenses. To pay a bill, Step 1. Initiate a bill payment. Select Pay a Bill and fill in all the relevant payment information for that invoice. Step 2. Schedule, if needed. If you need the payment to go out on a specific future date, toggle on Schedule this payment and select the day. This is how you future date an important one-off payment. This centralized view gives you a perfect overview of your outgoings and keeps your books tidy. Final tips. Remember, you can manage and cancel any upcoming scheduled payment by going to Accounts Send Upcoming Payments. If you use the web version, look under Account Management Scheduled Payments. This gives you full control should anything change. By taking just a few minutes now to set up your standing orders and centralize your bill pay, you're setting your business up for smoother cash flow and less stress. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.